Hi, my name is RJ, and this video is for Rob XRP. I thank you. Please let me know if you have questions or comments. Let's get started. So first, we will check the BTC USD pair. So we are now looking at a BTC USD pair. So basing from here, we are seeing a hammer. For the weekly time frame, we are seeing a hammer. Okay, this hammer. If it is a hammer, then the next candle is supposed to be a bullish candle. Okay? So, our weekly time frame is still very bullish. Okay, so look at the awesome oscillator. So, in awesome oscillator, it shows us if it still has the power to pump. So, here, this one, and this one. It's still going up, so the volume is going up. And it's going up. So, it means there is still a place for pump. Okay? So we are expecting a pump for the weekly time frame. It's still very bullish, okay? So there is no change of direction yet. So still going up. You see the Ichimoku cloud? It's still going up. Okay? So this we are using again the EMA ribbon. Support, 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 support. Okay? So once it touch a touch of the ribbon, it bounces. Okay? So that's how powerful that EMA ribbon. Okay? So let's check the daily time frame. So our daily time frame is still bullish. We see here 3 candles of green and still pushing up. Although we have a crossover of our Ichimoku cloud, but still our candle is our cloud and the ribbon, the EMA ribbon is being tested. So we are testing right now the second EMA ribbon and it's starting to cross over. But since it hasn't crossed over all yet, so it's still a bullish sign. Okay? For the daily time frame. And we see this good support here. It touched the strong support here. Okay? The strong support is this last cloud. Okay? So we call this cloud cloud. Let me show you the name of the cloud. Senku B. Okay? So the green is Senku A. The red is Senko B, and the blue is Tenken Sen. The red is the Kijun Sen. Okay? So the Senku B is the strongest resistance or support, I mean. Okay, so let's go back. So once it touches the Senku B, then it bounces. And look at the history. Yeah, right there. You see this one? It touched the Senku B, Senku A here, Senku B. So it touched and then it bounces. And then it tested the EMA ribbon, and then it went down just like this one. It touches and then long wick for the green, and then it might touch this one. It might touch this one, the upward trend of the Senku B, the cloud, and this is the upward trend also of the Senku B. So it might go down again here and then pump. Voila. Okay. So it can do the same wonder. Okay, once it breaks this cloud, this EMA ribbon that we are trying to break through. If not, then it goes down first here to touch this one. And then if this holds, then we pump. Okay? Just like this one, it has a crossover. and then we pump. Okay? So we are still looking forward to this kind of scenario. Okay. So it can be like this and then like that. Okay? So from here to there. The same thing that happened here. Okay? So this is a daily time frame, of course. So I'm still showing you a big picture of our trade. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We are still in the strong sell. The sell, so our technicals is still in sell. In our 4 hours time frame, we already cross. Okay? We have crossed already the Ichimoku cloud. And what happens when we cross the Ichimoku cloud? It's a sign of breaking out. Okay? Look at this one. Once we cross the Ichimoku cloud, it broke out to higher upside. So now we have crossed again. No signal yet because the Tenken Sen, the blue line, has crossed over also. So here we haven't our blue line hasn't crossed over yet. Okay, the Tenken Sen hasn't crossed over yet, still here. So if it cross over here, then we are expecting a good reversal. Okay? Okay. So we have been consolidating, making some W pattern, then breakout, and then went up again. So this is the 4 hours time frame. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. So our 1 hour time frame, we have already broken out. And we are already making a uptrend, new trend. Okay? And the cloud is getting bigger. Okay? So it's just waiting to break out for our 1 hour time frame. Okay? So the question is, how are we going to trade this one? How are we going to trade this one? Okay? So let's check the 1 hour time frame. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we are also, let's go to BTC. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, I'm checking the RSI. It's not overbought yet. So it still has a potential to go up more. Okay? There's no time for correction yet. It's no correction time yet. But it can be corrected also. Okay? So it might form a W pattern, then break out, or cup and handle pattern. Cup and then handle and then break out. Okay? So we might see this one for this chart. Okay? So let's pull out our Fibonacci. So let's check our Fibonacci line for let's go to 4 hour time frame first. So here to here. So for BTC, if it doesn't break the 58, This is a strong resistance 58, okay? Take note of the strong resistance of 58. It hasn't been broken yet. So it's a strong resistance here. Okay? So this is a strong area of resistance that is having hard time to break because of this one. See that long wick? It's a strong resistance. Then it went down, resistance, resistance. So if we break that one, we are expecting a 62K. Okay, this one. Our target profit is this one. The 62.3. So if we break this out, we have a correction up to 0.5. So if we want to place our order, we can buy now. Since it's already a breakout, we can place our order. And then our take profit, our first take profit will be the 59. And then our target 62. Okay, this is the highest we can get so far. If we don't break it, then what happens next? Because there's a strong resistance here, what happens next is it will test again. Okay, we will test again. So if we touch the 62 with long wick, it can go down quickly. Okay, so this is our situation. So for Fibonacci retracement, you can place your order here. You can order right away now, then order again, then order again here, and then order again. Then our stop loss will be here. Okay, so we use the dollar cost averaging. Okay, so our candle, our 1 hour candle is still very bullish. Okay, so our 4 hour candle almost will end. Okay, it will almost end. So if this maintains, we are anticipating a 3 white soldier. Okay, 3 white soldiers. Okay, so we are expecting a 3 white soldier candle. So the 3 white soldiers. So we are expecting a 3 candle white. Okay, the green candle. So 1, 2, and then another one. So if it is a pump, then it can reach up to 62. Okay, so 3 white soldier. We are expecting that one. Okay, since we are not yet oversold, let's check for 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame here is not yet oversold too, okay? For our BTC. So we still have long way to go to pump, okay? So that's our BTC. So I hope we get our trading options here. Okay, if it breaks, if it invalidates, then you stop loss. Hit the stop loss already, okay? That's it. All the best. Cheers.